We should soon go back to work at Hilltop. Where are we going this week, Tim? We are going to Roche Brune.
Welcome back to, well, almost Hilltop. As you can see, I think we are correct. This time the snow has really gone for good. It's a lovely week in April, and it's lovely. We've decided to come out for a little walk. It's doable directly from Hilltop. It's a bit of a climb. It's going to take you probably an hour, hour and a half, something like that. But it's a lovely little walk, and we're just going to show you that as we go around today. Didn't expect to see a treehouse on the way, but hey, this is amazing. I don't know who would come up here and think, oh, I know what, I'm going to spend time and effort to make a little treehouse. But yeah, this is great. I suspect if you ever got caught short, you could even sleep in here. You know, good fun. Trunk. So for those of you who are not familiar, this is basically a mark on the path, and when it's a line like that, it says that's the right way to go. Now, we've been on our phones and looking at Google Maps and been trying to stay on the path. And back there, there was actually one of these showing it's the right way to go, and there was an X saying this is not the right way to go. But we tried to be clever, and understanding where we are with the GPS and on the phone with Google Maps, we decided to follow the X. So we've done a bit of off country and are a bit scraped and sore because we went the wrong way. Left or right? So this is where, if you look over here, on this tree right here, there's a yellow X. I don't know whether you can zoom in and see that. But X means not the way. And then this side, on this one, you have your yellow line. That's what I was talking about before. Last time we followed the X because we're idiots. This time, follow the yellow line. This is the way with the yellow line. The way with the X looks much easier because now the fun begins. So this is why we did it. Now, this is called Roche Brune, which means brown rock, I suppose. Honestly, I suppose we should do, one thing you might not know about me is I really don't like heights, so I'm not very comfortable here. Anyway, big cross, brown rock, lovely view, looking down over Isère, and then you've got the whole of the Grésivaudan Valley down there. Actually, on our way back, we're going to try and take a different way back, and it's actually where the parapente, what's it, hand gliding or parasailing, where those guys launched themselves off of here, and as was made famous by Toy Story, they fall with style.